Hey guys, Bryce with Dixie 4-Wheel Drive here. We'll do the old parking lot walk today. We got Tara's 392 Rubicon with them worn wheels. Took the Canottis off the Bronco and did some different tires on the Bronco. Got a Terraflex lift kit with their Alpine IR control arms, all 8 arms, their HD track bar, and all the good stuff there. Bumpers are getting ready to come off, front and rear, and this is gonna be raced in the Rebelle Rally, so that's Tara's new ride. We got flat deck trailer, of course, a Jeep in for getting a flat tow set up. Got the base plate all upgraded on it so they can flat tow it. We got George's black Jeep. We call it Old Reliable because it just gets him where he needs to go and brings him back home. We got the shop dually for hauling stuff around, getting to and from. We got a 1998 Grand Cherokee Limited with the 5.9 V8. And we got our nice trailer for hauling the bigger stuff. Tara's F-150, the dog hauler. You know what I mean if you've seen her dogs. Red Dot's Bronco with some nice trail ready wheels. Fresh new 37s. It's looking good. Best top, new top. We got Clifford. Clifford, the big red dog, you know. Maybe you understand now looking at it. Jeep doesn't look as big as it really is. It's 3.0 coilovers, trailing arm rear suspension, full tummy tuck underneath that thing. It's got tire carrier in the back, bob bed, another JK in for some noises / drivability. Got Milt's Gladiator sitting on a 3.5-inch lift and 39s. I got my chassis stack growing. Got a 06 LJ Rubicon, 4.0 Cherokee, another Cherokee on 39s and air struts, and budget Jeep. Trixie's in for Trixie Dixie St. George Jeeper. Rubicon, broke a front track bar bracket off, upgraded to the Artec. Got a new Artec one all welded in there. We got a little TJ. Just got some new suspension. 4-link rear. Terraflex long arm. We got the BLM Jeep in. Getting some maintenance and upgrades. Needs more, not necessarily upgrades, repairs, sorry. No upgrades. We got the JL1. We call it the Dixie JL1. It's got a built 6.4 Hemi, 4-link rear, 3-link front, coilovers and bypasses, back half frame. We got the Flanders family diesel JT. This one's back in for stage 2. This was stage 1. Stage 2 is getting bigger axles, bigger tires, a couple more goodies too. We got Fred's Rubicano. Still got a couple more things to do on her, but trimmed the inner fenders, made some suspension changes on it for him. But yeah, this thing's a beast. It's got everything. LS3, roll cage, lights, big axles, body armor, sticky tires, bead locks, all the good stuff. Over here we got a little red Rubicon coming in for some bumpers and a winch. And that's what it's in for today. Got a good looking blue Jeep JL. First time I'd really seen that bronze KMC on the blue, and it actually works pretty good, I think. Genride aluminum bumper with Baja Designs light bar, Warren 12S platinum winch. It's a good looking Jeep, local. We got another 392. It's a Recon, but we have little tires on it because we're mounting up the bead locks, then we'll throw them back on. Two-door JK. Don't see as many of those as we do the four doors. And another Cherokee in for some getting trimmed up from the tires they put on it and some running issues, and you'll see it on the trail soon. But yeah, that's our little parking lot walk at the shop today. So lots of goodies. Thanks for checking out the old shop walk, Dixie 4-wheel drive.